everyone, welcome to Saka Services. In this session, we'll delve into the intricacies of using VBA macros. Specifically, we'll focus on a scenario where we learn how to automatically sort when a record is inserted. For example, please have a look at this Excel. This Excel has 3 columns: employee ID, end date and start date. The requirement is whenever any new employee ID is entered, based on the value, the record will shift and be positioned to the respective location based on the value, in ascending order. Let's first experience the demo, then we build the solution. Here you can see as soon as I change the value of employee ID, the row gets shifted to its corresponding location. Let's talk about the solution now. To solve it, we need to write the logic in VBA. Go to the Developer tab, Sheet 1 and add the logic. This logic I will share so that you can use or reuse for your personal and professional reason. Please do not forget to save files with the XSLM extension. This makes the Excel capable of holding VBA code in itself. Thank you for visiting One Saka Academy. Please like and subscribe to stay tuned for our upcoming learning sessions on Excel.